Hello guys, welcome to Squad Ninja, and in this video we will see what is the difference between wordpress.com and .org. In the previous video we have covered what are the benefits of blogging, and the link of that video will be given in the cards above. So before understanding what is the difference between wordpress.com and wordpress.org, or we can say what is the difference between free or paid blog, let us understand what are the requirements to start a blog. There are two basic requirements to start a blog, and the first one is domain name. Domain name is the name of your website, like www.squadninja.net or www.digitalkranti.com. These are the domain names. You can buy the domain from GoDaddy, Namecheap, or name.com. Or you can have some free domains like digitalkranti.wordpress.com or xyz.blogger.com. If you want a free domain, then you have to go to these websites like WordPress or Blogger. So the first requirement is a domain name, and the second requirement to start a blog is hosting. Hosting or web host is the online space to store your website content. Suppose let's take an example and understand what are the domain name and hosting. Suppose you want to open a shop, and for that you would be required a name for your shop, and that name will be the domain name for your website, and the space to keep all your items you want to sell will be your hosting. So I hope you understand what are the domain name and hosting for a website. Similarly, hosting companies provide space for your blog content, like if you want to open a shop and you put all your items at a particular space. Same thing applies to the hosting companies. They provide space for all your blog content, your text, images, and whatever you have on your blog. So these are the two basic requirements to start a blog. First one is domain name, and the second one is hosting. Now, suppose you want to make a free blog. Suppose you purchased a custom domain name from GoDaddy, but you don't want to buy hosting, and you want all your blogs data on some free platform like wordpress.com or blogger. Then on wordpress.com you can put all your website data but can't add custom domain in free plan. On wordpress.com you can have a custom you can have a domain name with the extension .wordpress.com, like xyz.wordpress.com, and you can use their hosting service free. But if you want to add custom domain, then you have to buy a plan from a wordpress.com. But with the blogger, no condition applies. You can add your custom domain, and you can also have your .blogspot extension blog on the blogger also. So this is the basic difference between wordpress.com and blogger. Now let's understand what is the difference between wordpress.com and wordpress.org. So wordpress.com, it is the hosting service which you can use with .wordpress extension, that is free. And if you want to use this wordpress.com with the custom domain, then you have to pay. But wordpress.org is a software which you can install on your web hosting service like hostgator, bluehost, or siteground. Now let's move to the other differences between the wordpress.com and wordpress.org. So on wordpress.com no plugin support is there. If there are some plugins, then that is very limited. On wordpress.org you have to buy hosting from any hosting service provider, and there are a lot of plugins available, and even you can upload custom plugins on your own hosting on the wordpress.org. On wordpress.com there are only limited themes, and which are free or paid, but there are limited themes. On wordpress.org with your own hosting service, you have lot of theme options available, and you can also upload custom themes. If you are using wordpress.com, then very less monetization options available, and you can start monetization after getting 25,000 page views monthly. So this condition is applied till now. In the future it may change, but if you want to use wordpress.org with your own hosting, there are a lot of monetization techniques which you can use, like you can use Google AdSense, you can use affiliate, you can use any other ad networks, Tabola, or whatever you want to use. There are lot of things. You can sell your own products, whatever you want to do, that's your own blog. On wordpress.com, SEO is not very easy, not so much options available, but on wordpress.org lot of SEO plugins are available, and lot of SEO optimized themes are available. So a lot of work, your lot of work will be saved, and you don't have to do things manually. The plugins will do things automatically, so it saves a lot of time in the future. WordPress.com will take care of all the updates and backup of the website, but on WordPress.org, you have to take care of the backup and updates. It's very easy to make a website on WordPress.com, and it may take some time on WordPress.org, but in the long run, WordPress.org is very important, and people will not take you very seriously if you take an extension with the .wordpress.com. So, Squad Ninja recommend you WordPress.org, and with SiteGround hosting service. This service is very good if you want to host your own blog. So these are the basic differences between the WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask your question in the comment, and I will be answering each and every question. Now, in the next video, we will see how to create a blog on WordPress.org. And to keep watching all the videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Squad Ninja, and press the bell icon. And if you still have any query, you can ask in the comments. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.